Hi friends, welcome to the Cricket Statistician YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about SES versus SV Dream 11 prediction, which is going to be 7th match of England Women's ODI tournament, and the time will be 3 p.m. on May 31. And remember, the venue is the Spitfire ground of Beckenham. Now guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then quickly subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Telegram channel. Link is in description and pinned comment. Also check out the videos of all the other matches from the same tournament. Let's look at the playing 11. This will be the playing 11 of SES. You can pause the video and check, and it's the correct batting order as well. And these three players were on the bench in the last match, and these five players are the extra players who can be included in the top 14. Similarly for SV, this will be the playing 11, and these two players were on the bench, and there are four extra players. You can pause the video and check. Similarly, now let's go forward and let's look at the points table. SES, it won the only match it played, and similarly SV also won its only match. SES is at rank 1 and SV is at rank 2. In fact, SES won with the help of bonus point. In this tournament, SES, the match which it played, it scored 324 runs at the loss of 7 wickets, and SUN could not even play beautifully, and it gave away bonus point to SES. And let's talk about SV. SV chased the target of LIG very easily. Let's look at the ODI stats. So these are the ODI stats of SES batters, and you can check that none of the players have performed too well in the ODI. Similarly for SES bowlers, none of the players have performed exceptionally. And from the SV batters, we can see that Danny White and George Elvis both are very experienced players, and they have performed average in the ODI format. And in among the bowler section, similarly again you will see Danny White and Elvis. So if you compare the all-rounder stats, they are much ahead than the other players of SES. Now guys, let's move forward. Let's look at the T20 international stats of SES batters. You can pause the video and check the T20 international stats of all the players, and similarly for bowlers you can check. Now guys, and you can pause the video and check the stats of SV batters and SV bowlers as well. Let's look at the 2020 tournament stats. So same tournament happened in 2020 also, in September 2020, and let's look at the performance of players in that tournament. So as Brewer, she performed very well, but she is not in the top 14 this time. Dunkley, she scored a century in the last match and will be very important player for you. And then you can also check Capsey and Rove. They perform very well in the batting division. And among the bowlers, B. Smith was the top player for them. And I guess B. Smith will be very important for the next match also. Farrant also performed very well. And let's move forward. Let's look at the performance of SV batters in the last tournament. Adams, Wyatt, and Dean. You can see their top players. And similarly in the bowling section also you will find Adams and Dean have taken a lot of wickets, and other than that Taylor and Norris have performed very well. In fact, bowlers are the reason why SV finished at the top of the points table in their group. So let's look at the ground stats. So this is Spitfire ground of Beckenham, and pitch report. Let's look at the pitch report. It will be very good pitch for batsmen as well as bowlers. So remember this thing. You can expect a score of 120 to 100, 250, something like this, and bowlers can also take a lot of wickets. So take a good balance of both batters and bowlers. Let's look at the recent form of SES players. One important thing I would like to highlight is that the match on the leftmost side is the recent match. So for example, B. Smith, she took 3 wickets in the last match and also scored 59 runs. So this is the stat of that match. So you can similarly check the recent form of all the SES players, and similarly you can pause the video and check the recent stats of all the SV players. Guys, if you haven't joined the Telegram channel yet, then quickly join the Telegram channel, and the link is in description and pinned comment. Also like the video if you like the content. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. Let's go to the Dream 11. So guys, in the wicket keeping section, I will currently go with Root because she is the best batter if you look at the recent form. And in the batting section, I will go with Wyatt, Dunkley, and Adams, no doubt about that. In the all-round section, first I will go with international player Elvis, and also then I will go with B. Smith, and then Dean, because Dean and Elvis, they are very important player for SV. Elvis did not play the last season, but she is international player, that's why I am taking her. And B. Smith, she performed very well in the last match, and she is a very good all-rounder. I will go with Farrant and Taylor, and also with Norris. So these three were the top wicket takers for both the teams. And then we have one player left. If you want, you can go with high selection player of Davidson Richards, or you can even try Gibbs or Davis. I'm going with Davis because she is current international player of England, and since SV is a very tough team to beat, so I think SES bowlers who are inexperienced, they will kind of struggle, and that's why they need some experience in the form of F Davis. So I think she can provide that experience. So now let's look at the captaincy, vice captaincy option. We have very good options. So B. Smith can be considered G. Elvis, she is an international player. She can also be considered. Dean also played very well in the last tournament. And Dan White, she is again international player. She can also be considered. G. Adams played well in the last tournament. She had one of the best stats in the whole tournament. And you can also try Dunkley. And in the bowling section, you can try C. Diller and F. Davis, who is also international player. So guys, like the video if you like the content, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join the Telegram channel. Link is in description and pinned comment. See you in the next video. Bye.